Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, the state government has finally taken one historic decision that will directly benefit thousands of primary school teachers. So I will explain you about this breaking news in this video. Please stay tuned till the end. Then only you will understand what I am trying to tell you. Okay. See, actually the Karnataka cabinet has approved for promotion of primary school teachers. Only those school teachers who are having degree and who are TET qualified. You can see this newspaper article of Prajavani. They have written everything in detail here. They are telling that in line with recommendations of NEP, the designation of the post of primary school teacher was changed and new cadre and recruitment rules were formulated. This separated teachers teaching from classes 1 to 5, which we call PSTR, and teachers teaching from classes 6 to 8, we call it as GPSTR, right? So as a result, all primary school teachers who were appointed in cadres of class 1 to 7 and 1 to 8 before 2016, they were limited to classes 1 to 5. Graduate teachers were also given high priority in the promotion of the post of primary school head teachers and high school assistant teachers. So primary school teachers who have been serving for several years were working under guidance of recently graduated teachers. So since priority was given to graduate teachers in the reallocation of posts, there was a shortage of posts for primary school teachers. Actually, the Karnataka State Primary School Teachers Association was also fighting for this since 2017 in order to condemn the injustice. So on 3rd September, it boycotted classes and it launched the Freedom Park Chalo movement in Bangalore. So the association had decided to boycott the Teachers' Day celebration also, which was to be held today, that is September 5th. So School Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa had brought this proposal before the cabinet meeting and promised to fulfill their demand. So this decision now, which has been taken by the state government, has been welcomed by everyone. The Teachers Association President, our CM, Deputy CM and Education Minister. Okay. I also have this PDF file of the detailed information on all the subjects approved by the cabinet. This is dated 4th September 2025, which is yesterday. So this is a big file actually. So in this, if I go to point number 65 directly, then we will get the news which we have discussed till now. So let me go to point number 65. I have put this PDF file in the Telegram channel also. If you are interested, you can go and check it out there. So here you can see what is written. ಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಕ್ಷರತಾ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಪದವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟಿಇಟಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪಡೆದಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಚಿತ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಹೊಂದಿಲ್ಲದಂತೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿಯ ವೇತನ ಬಡ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲು 6 ಮತ್ತು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೋಧಿಸಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ನೀಡಲು ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ನೀಡಲು ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳಿಗೆ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. So this thing has been approved now. So this is a good news, and that's why we can say that aspirants who have done DED are all really very lucky, because we are getting messages from many aspirants saying that ma'am, we have qualified TET paper 1 but we have done BEd, not DED. So this is a chaos actually, because there are very few aspirants who have done DED and there are huge number of posts which are coming up in Kalyana Karnataka for PSTR 1 to 5. So friends, if you have done DED, then you are lucky. Please work towards your exam preparation, because it will become very easy for you to get this job. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.